Okay, so compound interest. So there's compounding per year. That's the kind of good one. Most, like credit card companies, for instance, they compound monthly. Okay, that's compounded monthly, compound interest. So, and the formula we have, A equals the principal borrowed plus 1 plus the rate over n and t, raised to n and t. N is how often it compounds. If this is yearly, n is 1. T is how many years your loan is for. R is your rate and percentage. P is the principal, the amount borrowed. Okay? So let's say, for instance, your principal is $9,000 at a rate of 8.5%. And this has got to be put into a decimal. Your n is 1. Because this is compound yearly, so your interest is going to compound once a year, and for 3 years. Your T is 3 years. How much money will you owe? You borrowed $9,000 at this rate for 3 years. How much money will you owe in total? How much will you pay back in total to this? This is A. So let's plug those in. And this is, again, this is not that difficult. It's plug and chug. You have a great graphing calculator. You can plug this all into one line. Even your scientific calculator, you can plug this all in, and it should be pretty straightforward. And just remember, make that into a percent, so it's 0.085%. I mean decimal. This is a percent. You want to make it a decimal, so it's 0.085 as a decimal. All right, so let's just plug it in and see what we get. N is 1, so that doesn't make a difference, and 3 times 1. So working this out, I get 9,000. This is 1.085 right there, raised to 3. And it turns out after 3 years, you've paid back $11,495 from a $9,000 loan. So you've paid, so if we look at the difference of this, you've paid over almost $2,500 in interest on this loan right here. Okay? So you see why these companies make so much money off you and so hard to get out of debt. And this is paying back yearly, compound yearly.